Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of TikTok, exploring the amazing special effects, stirring adventures, cinematic masterpieces, stunning visuals, and timeless stories that make this platform so captivating. So, let's get started. TikTok is a social media platform that's taken the world by storm. And it's not just about dancing and lip-syncing anymore. The platform has become a breeding ground for creativity, allowing users to create incredible content with amazing special effects, stirring adventures, and cinematic masterpieces. When you're uploading a video on TikTok, it's important to think about the hashtags you use. Hashtags are like keywords that help TikTok's algorithm understand what your video is about. For example, if you're uploading a video about a magical adventure, you might use hashtags like hashtag magical adventure, hashtag stirring adventure, or hashtag cinematic masterpiece. Remember, the hashtags you use can have a significant impact on the reach and engagement of your video. So, take some time to think about the hashtags you want to use before you hit that upload button. Now, let's talk about thumbnails. Thumbnails are the small images that appear when you scroll through your TikTok feed. They're like the cover art for your video, and they play a crucial role in attracting viewers. A well-designed thumbnail can make all the difference in whether someone clicks on your video or not. So, how do you create a great thumbnail? First, think about the content of your video. What's the most eye-catching, intriguing, or exciting moment? That's what you want to capture in your thumbnail. Second, consider the colors and contrast. A thumbnail with high contrast and vibrant colors is more likely to stand out in a sea of thumbnails. Lastly, don't forget to include text. A short, catchy phrase can help convey the theme or mood of your video and entice viewers to click. And there you have it, folks. A quick guide to creating amazing TikTok content with special effects, stirring adventures, cinematic masterpieces, and eye-catching thumbnails. We hope you found this helpful, and we can't wait to see what you create on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Until next time, happy TikToking!